Diba? There is Malaysia, guys. This one is Malaysia. This one, Malaysia. And then that part is Malaysia already. Daw sabi nila. Malaysia na bitaw na dan. Malaysia dyan daw. Kusgan. My dreams. Basta taga-dagat. Kinahanglan jud mo recharge sa dagat. This is our happiness, is to see the dagat. And then our days, our weeks will be okay. I grew up in the dagat. That's why I need to recharge sa dagat. Ano yung view, guys? View. And then at our back is a mall. We're in what's it? Samudera LRT at Punggol MRT. Near Punggol MRT. This is the view near Coney Island. And then at the back is the mall. Now, dili lagi ako near lang. Yeah, very nice here. The bike, views, refreshing. Sit down here, take coffee, deep breath. Then after that, you can go home with a big smile already. You want to see the mall? This is the mall over here. This is a mall. Then you walk straight to Samudera. Guys, look, ang view. I don't like dagat. There's a lot of companies there. Companies na diha, mga kumpanya na diha. Kumpanya. Karon di na sila kasayon. Oh, kanang yellow din ha, kana. Oh, really? How you know that yellow? Ano naman na? How you know? Kanang yellow? Oh, kana daw. Oh, kana daw naglutaw kana.
Ay, ganda kana. Bisig dili.
Oh, I don't know. Unsa man niya akong source, guys.
Di mo gud ta mga security.
Uy, klaro akong source. Okay. Uli na guys. We're going home. Kay naka-charge na mi sa dagat. Bye guys. Till next time. Have a nice day. God bless.